Hello everyone, this is Akshata, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know, friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course, we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination. In this course, we have started up with a new series where we are discussing the paper 1 maths and as well as the paper 2 mathematics. And in today's lecture, we'll be talking about the rectangular and square 2D structures, based questions, perimeter, area, and diagonal related questions. Even the students who find themselves weak at mathematics can score maximum marks is the highlighting point of this particular course. For the central teacher eligibility test, if you want to get enrolled to the complete course launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 as well as for the paper 2, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store, or simply you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413. Global Online application is available on the Play Store, from where you can install the application. Once installed it, open the application, you'll find such type of interface. In this particular interface, if you look downwards, there is an icon named as store icon. You can click on it. After that, you'll move to the page called as my courses, and in my courses there is a search tab. In search tab, you have to type CTET. Hence downwards, the course along with the fees will be displayed. Excluding the CTET course, we have courses for Maharashtra TET examination as well as for Maharashtra SET paper 1, paper 2. Similarly for UGC NET paper 1 as well as for paper 2, CSIR NET paper 1 as well as for paper 2. If you are preparing for these upcoming examinations, then get enrolled to this particular course and make your preparation stronger and boost your confidence through this videos. Okay, so without any further ado, let us begin with the lecture. Yesterday we have seen this I think 4 questions, I guess, from this particular topic. We'll start up with the question number 5. Just give me a minute. Here now, in this question number 5, we are talking about we have to find the sum of the length of the diagonals. Okay, sum of the length of the diagonals of a square with the side given is 8 square root 2. So rewrite this as 8 square root 2 centimeter. Okay, so what they have given us the side of a square. They have mentioned the side is equals to, side of the square is equals to 8 under root of 2 centimeter. Okay, they have told us that there is one square and square's side has been mentioned, that is 8 under root of 2 centimeter, and we know that all the sides of the square are equal. They are asking us to find out the length of the diagonals, sum of the length of diagonals. Actually, they are talking about the 2 diagonals. This is the first diagonal and this is the second diagonal, and you have to find out the sum of these 2 diagonals together. I'll simply draw a single diagonal. Okay, then I'll draw the second one. Now look at the figure. This is the diagonal, and we know how to find the diagonal of any square. Okay, so the diagonal of a given square is equals to side under root 2. We know the value of side, we'll just insert it over here. We know the value of side is 8 under root 2. So 8 under root 2 into root 2. So basically root 2 into root 2 is nothing but it is 2. So I'll do 8 into 2. This will give me 16. Okay, this is the value. Now this is the value of a single diagonal. And second thing that you have to remember over here is that one thing that we have studied already, that the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Yes, so this is, if this is 16 centimeter, this is also going to be 16 centimeter. So simply you can take this summation of diagonals as 16 plus 16 centimeter, that will give me 32 centimeter. That is option number C is the correct answer for the given question. Yes. So simply we have used here two formulas. From that one is simply side of a square is equal to diagonal of any square is equal to side under root 2. This is the formula that we have used for this given question. And the second thing that we have done is we have find the summation of the diagonals. We know one diagonal, we can find the other one, that is 16. If one is the 16 centimeter, then another is also going to remain 16 centimeter. So total summation is equals to 32 centimeter. Moving on to the next question. Now, next question is talking us about a room whose dimension have been mentioned. That is, a room which is given is 26 meter long and 15 meter wide. Okay, a 14 meter squared carpet is laid on the floor. Find the area of the room which is not carpeted is the question. Okay, for example, this is the room. Okay, in this room, this is the particular squared area which is carpeted. Okay. Now they have mentioned the dimensions of the room. The length of the room is 26 meter. The width of the room is 15 meter, and a 14 meter squared carpet is laid on the floor. Okay, we have to exactly find out the area the area which is a non-carpeted area. This one, the one which I am drawing in blue. Okay, how can we find this? We can find it, how come? We can find it by finding the area of room first. We'll find the area of the room, the total room, this one, and we'll subtract, and then we will subtract this carpeted area. Once we subtract this carpeted area, we will get the non-carpeted area, that is this one. Okay, so area of room minus area of carpet or area of carpeted area, that is, I'll write it as CA, will get the area of a non-carpeted room. Okay, so now what is area of room? Area of room, we know area of the given room is equals to length into breadth. So what is the length? 26 meter into breadth is 15 meter. Okay, we'll get the area from this. Second thing, the area of carpeted area, that is the area of a square, because the given carpeted area is in the square shape. So we know the area of square, that is side square, that is 14 into 14. Simply whatever the answer of this will come, we just have to subtract it from this and we'll get the value. Okay, once again I'll explain you this question. Just a second. Okay, here this was the room, this was the total room, this was the carpeted area. 26 meter long and 15 meter wide is the room, and 14 meter is the side of the given carpeted region. So area of room, this will give us 26 into 15. 15 6s are 90 and 15 2s are 30. So this will give me 390. Yes. Next is the area of square. Area of square or area of the carpeted area, you can say. 14 square, 14 into 14, this will give me 196. Yes. So what we have to find? We have to find the area of non-carpeted region, that is total area of the room minus the carpeted region, that is 390 minus 196. This will give me the area of room which is non-carpeted. This will give me 194. So 194 meter square is the area of the room which is not carpeted. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer to the given question. Moving on to the next question. The width of a rectangular floor of the room is 5 by 8 of its length. If the area of the room is 250 meters square, what is its perimeter is the question. Option given are 65 meter, option B 75 meter, option C 60 meter, and option D 40 meter. Let us try to understand the question. The width of a rectangular room, for example, this is the rectangular room. This is of length L and of width W. The width of this rectangular floor or the rectangular room is 5 by 8 times of length. Can I write like this? 5 by 8 times of length. Yes. Width is equals to 5 by 8 times of L means what? 5 by 8 into L. Okay. Next thing. If the area of the room given here is 250 meters square, we have to find the perimeter for the given question. First thing, I'll change the color of pen here. Okay. Now, we know width is equals to 5 by 8 times of length. So, can I write like this as W upon L, that is width upon length, is equal to 5 by 8. So, can I take width as 5x and length as 8x? Yes, got it. Width is equals to 5 by 8 times of L is the data given in the question. So simply length I have taken on this side, that will go in denominator or in division. So W upon L is equals to 5 by 8. So width is equals to 5x and length is equal to 8x. Second thing that we have to understand over here is what is given area. Now we know what is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. So here area given is 250 meters square. So width or the breadth is 5x and the length is 8x. So can I take this as 8x into 5x? Yes, this will give me 250 is equals to 5 8s are 40 x square. So x square is equals to 0 0 cutting on both the sides. I'll get 25 upon 4. So x is equals to 5 by 4. I have got the value of x now. I have got the value of x. I'll put these values in this particular width and length. So width is equals to 5x. So this will give me not 5 by 4. This will give me 5 by 2, right? 4 square, right? That is, sorry, 2 square is 4. So this is giving me 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into 5 will give me 5x. Similarly, 8x, it means 5 by 2 into 8. This will give me 5 4s are 20 length and width is 25 divided by 2. So we got the width, that is 25 upon 2. We also got the length, that is equals to 20. So now we can find out the perimeter. As we know, the formula for the perimeter is twice of L plus B. So twice of, what is the value of length? Value of length is 20. What is the value of width or the breadth? That is 25 divided by 2. Okay, this will give me, taking LCM on the both the side. Here there is nothing but it is 1. Here there is nothing but it means there is 1. So I'll just make the denominator similar. For making the denominator similar, I have multiplied here by 2. And the rule is, if you are multiplying with denominator or either with the numerator, we have to do the same process upwards as well. So I am multiplying 1 into 2 as well as 20 into 2. This will give me 40 divided by 2 plus 25 divided by 2. So this will give me 65. Yes, 40 plus 25 will give me 65. 2 into 65 divided by 2, that is 65 is the 65 meter is the perimeter of a given rectangular field. Got it? A simple question, a very simple question. You might be finding it quite lengthy, but it is not. Just I have explained the whole process. Simply you can do W is equals to 5 upon 8L. So we'll get the value of width as 5x, length as 8x. As well as we know area is equals to 250 meters square. We know the value of area is equal to length into width. Simply without calculating also you can do the mind calculation. That is 250 will be equivalent to 40x square. Yes. So but we have to find the value of x. Putting it in the value of width and the length, you can find out the perimeter. Okay, so this was end of today's lecture. We'll study the next portion or the next part of the 3D structures in the next part, okay, in the upcoming lecture. So stay tuned for that. And yes, thank you for watching the video. If you want to get enrolled to the course, you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, or download the global online application from the Play Store, and from there also you can just get enrolled to the course. Thank you for watching the video. If you're liking the video, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section that you're liking the video or not. If you have any kind of doubt regarding the enrollment of the course or any other doubt, you can let me in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe it. Thank you for watching it. Have a great day, everyone.